12:30, 102 outside and climbing, so there's the air conditioner stuck in the door running again. Just wanted to shoot this quick video here and release it. Maybe save somebody, maybe not. I got a toolbox off of eBay, and unfortunately I had bad luck with it, but I just wanted to review this toolbox. It's nice, but it's not nice in my opinion. The sheet metal that they made it out of, you put your thumb on it and you can bend it so easily. It's heavy, but it's flimsy, so I don't know how to describe it, but I just wanted to show everybody this. And again, unfortunately, I just had bad luck for the first time off eBay. This sucker was like pretty badly damaged. Not sure how many of you guys have seen this on eBay. I've been looking at them for some time. Usually there's 4 drawers, no 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, there's a 5th drawer. When I started looking at them, they were pretty cheap. They were like $100 with a few dollars shipping. Then they went crazy. But I kept looking. This one came up $111, $12 shipping from like the other coast. But it was the last one, which is why I grabbed it real fast. I wanted 4 drawers because I know they're going to be taller, and I want to try to consolidate all my gauge pins. So, and this thing is really heavy. Where's my razor blade? There it is. FedEx delivered it. Seville, and I guess if you turn it, so you can read it. Is it in the screen? Yeah. Seville Classic Incorporated. They've got all kinds of stuff. Stainless steel. I think they said powder coated. I don't know. But it's takes a lot. I don't know how, with it being this heavy, this guy could ship this for what, 12 bucks? I guess yeah, it opens from here. Yep. There we go. Finally. Let's see what it looks like. Oh wow! A box in a box in a box. Yeah, that's definitely another box in there. So it's well packaged, I'll tell you that. I don't know why or how this guy did this. Get it down. Yeah, it's like, I don't know how to explain this. This is all not even sealed, it's just a few strands of tape that, wait, alright, running out of room. Is it taped in here? Yep, we taped it to death. Alright, let me mess with it and get it out. It's really strange, this box has been cut open already, because this is all pre-cut. And the weird thing is the side. Here's the side. This whole piece is missing. But, I don't know. Where's the box cutter again? At least it comes all taken care of here, I think. Yeah, it looks nice. Wow, okay. What is that? Oh, that's the bottom. It's upside down. So, that. You know, I'm off camera, but I have to move it around. Rid of that. Rid of all that. Rid of that. Rid of that. Move it someplace here where you guys can see it. I can see it too. There. Oh. Is it on camera? Yeah. Turn the camera a bit. Pretty interesting looking. Oh, we're going to walk here. Wow. I hope the keys are right here. Yep. Keys. It comes with How many? Probably 2. Can you get 3 keys? Interesting. And cheap out on the keys. Who gives 3 keys? Yeah. 4 keys. 2 set. Oh, 1 for this lock, 1 for that, huh? Is this it? No. I gotta sit down. I can see this stainless steel. No. There. Ah. Alright. Oh, wow. Mats for each of the drawers. Smells good. Is this locked? Yeah. Throw that key up there. Kinda cool that you can lock it up if you want. That open? Yeah. Wow. Alright, yeah, it's deep enough drawers that it should hold the gauge pins. I'll have to where is that? I just need to work a little bit, I guess, or something. So that's it. Ultra HD. That looks bent. No, it's not. That looks bent too, but that's the way it was made. They just curved it in for some reason. Really? Or did it get bent? I'll probably bend that out because that looks stupid. Oh, this is bent here. Yeah, it got bent. Nice, huh? Okay. Right to the guy, maybe get a discount. I don't know. Weird. Gotta figure this thing out. It's hot out here still, but it's got bent. Yeah, nice toolbox. So there are a few small problems. The side up here is dented in, and the lock is tweaked and dented, so it doesn't even engage because it got bent out too far. The bottom is bent up. There's these little rubber bumpers here to make it nicer when you close it. They're all bent over, so when you close the drawer it hits a screw and you got to push to get the drawer closed. What else was there? I mean, I don't know. The other boxes that I saw, this was a solid top. I don't know why this is indented. Nice squeak, but real cheesy. Oh, yeah, you can see this is like bowed here. So I contacted the guy saying, gee, knowing that it was a makeshift box put back together, he obviously had this open. Because usually there's that plastic on the face. Here's a little piece of what's left. There was plastic on this face. Somebody had it. Somebody pulled it off and then sent it back. Looks like the top of this drawer is bowed too. Bent a little. Wow. So, FER VIP 220. Thank you. Let's see what he has to say. Because I didn't fill out a return, I just sent him a message pointing out it's all bent up and obviously it's pre-owned.